Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and you're watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another exciting tech series which is the ServiceNow and JavaScript. So finally I can say welcome to the world of programming. So I know you are excited to know about what are the things going to be covered in the series, what are the things you are going to learn. So before I get into it, I have to thank all of my subscribers, more than 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. And also thank you to all the members. I know you are getting the benefits. I'm receiving comments on daily basis, how my videos are helping you to clear your CSA exam, and I'm very, very happy for that. So I'll come to that later. But first of all, if you are new in my channel, then this is my channel, Tech with Pri, and I post technical videos. Already there are several series I have uploaded in my channel. So starting with Windows Server 2016, where you can find, details like what is server, from how DNS works, how you can configure Windows Server, how you can configure DNS in Windows Server, what is VPN proxy server, to Active Directory, what is domain controller, how you can install Active Directory. So each and every details of Windows Server you would find there. And later I have created another series that is based on the cloud computing, where I covered the cloud computing service provider Microsoft Azure, and from there also the understanding of cloud computing, like what is Azure and how you can use Azure portal, Azure virtual machine, up to the Azure VPN, how you can configure the VPN, each and every details you can find in that series. After that, I started the series that I was looking for a long time, that is this ServiceNow. And in my ServiceNow series, I have uploaded already more than 40 videos where the concept of basic ServiceNow, like what is ServiceNow, how you can have your personal developer instance. Starting from that, we have covered different applications like Flow Designer, like knowledge management module we have completed, also CMDB and all reporting. So each of these things are explained and also practically shown how to do that, all these things in my ServiceNow playlist. So if you're looking for ServiceNow knowledge, you can get it from there. So that is a ServiceNow system administrator that I have created all those videos based on the CSA examination, right? And also I have created another series which is the ServiceNow virtual agent, create your own bot. So I've shown there how you can use ServiceNow virtual agent technology to create a real bot, and you can configure the way the bot give greetings, the thumbnail of the bot, and also the bot is creating incident behalf of you, asking questions. So all of these I have explained and I've shown it practically in my series of ServiceNow virtual agent. And I think there are 7 to 8 videos are there as of now, but there are more videos about to come. Don't worry. I know you guys are waiting. I've also received many comments on my ServiceNow virtual agent, but don't worry, guys. So I'm gonna upload more videos. Actually, more complex things are waiting in the virtual agent, but I need to clear the ServiceNow development and the basic JavaScript part for that. That's why I'm waiting. Okay, and the last series that I've worked on, which is the ServiceNow CSA exam preparation, where I have given 90 questions, right? I've divided on 7 videos. So the first, second, and third videos are available for all of you, but from part 4 to part 7 are only available for the members. So you can see there is a join button. You can click on that and you can join the channel. So you would definitely get all the ServiceNow CSA exam questions, all the 90 questions. But not only that, you are also going to get all other member benefits. For an example, like for this series also, I would specially make some video for the member only, right? So it's a minimal subscription charge which is there. So you can, I think it's affordable for everyone, right? And also I would say that the last series, that is the CSA exam preparation, that was a success for me. So you can see there are a lot of comments. I'm displaying few of the comments in the screen. So I've received a lot of comments from different part of the world, that how these questions help them to clear out the CSA examination. Like I've shared, all these questions are very, very important for the examination. So if you haven't joined my channel, so join the channel to get full access of the 90 questions. Now, wait, there is a thing. Now, after seeing all the success of this series of ServiceNow exam preparation, CSA exam preparation, what I've decided, I'm going to add 15 more questions which I've collected from recent people. I mean, from the person who have given recently those exams. So I've collected a few questions from them. So I am gonna post it in a part 8. So part 7 is there in my, as a member, you can see that. Now I'm gonna post part 8 and definitely it would be available for the members, right? So click the join button and become a member. Okay, so now the question is why I'm creating this series. I have got many comments that Preetham, when you are going to start the ServiceNow development series, right? I know how eagerly you are waiting for the ServiceNow development series, but trust me, to clear the ServiceNow development, even to understand the ServiceNow development scripting, you need to understand the JavaScript fundamentals because the ServiceNow is developed with the help of JavaScript, right? Now there are many people who doesn't know JavaScript, who does not have any technical or programming background, right? So for those people, maybe they want to become a ServiceNow developer, they want to understand ServiceNow developer. So then again, they have to go to some other sources to, to learn all these JavaScript things. So I don't want that. I want people will come in my channel to learn from ServiceNow from starting to end. Okay, that's the reason mainly I decided to all those people who are not comfortable in programming, who doesn't know programming, don't worry, this series is gonna help you. I'm creating this series specially for all of you guys. You can come and learn programming. So I'm gonna cover very basic things, starting from very basic things of JavaScript to the up to the object array methods, all these things, classes. Those are very, very important concept you need to understand, guys, before I move into the ServiceNow development. So if you clear all those concepts, ServiceNow development would become very, very easy for you. So that is the reason I have decided to go with the ServiceNow and JavaScript. Let's first understand the language. Let's first understand how the fundamentals of the language works before we play with this language in the ServiceNow development part, right? And trust me, it's going to be very, very interesting. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I will jump into my screen where I'm going to show you what are the exact thing or exact topics in JavaScript that we are going to cover, where we will learn this JavaScript, where we will practice each and everything. Now I'm going to discuss with you. So make sure you watch the complete video to understand what are the things you are going to learn. Okay. All right. So ServiceNow and JavaScript, very exciting. And this line, welcome to the world of programming. So yes, this is the first time I'm going to explain about programming in my channel. So I'm also pretty excited. Okay, so let's see what we are going to learn from this series, right? So let's see the course structure. All right, so we will start by understanding the overview of JavaScript language. So before starting of any programming language, we need to know first about this language, right? A little bit of history, not boring for sure, right? So that we are going to cover with this. And next we would learn about the JavaScript editor in ServiceNow. So all the practices that we are going to do inside of the ServiceNow, guys. That is exciting. And now you can ask me, Preetham, like we have the Visual Studio, right? Where we can learn a lot of things like JavaScript, Python, and all other languages. So you can use Visual Studio, but I would ask you to wait for my this special video. I would do it for the scripting editor in ServiceNow, and trust me, you would love this JavaScript editor. Inside of the ServiceNow, it is available, and it is very, very powerful. Let me tell you, it is very, very powerful, and I would explain more about it. Okay, in my upcoming videos. Okay, then into the programming, we would learn about values and variables, about JavaScript, then about different data types. These are all the fundamental concept. Operators. So all this, all these videos I will cover with different examples. But also after each of the series, you can see now there is an extra coding exercise. And this is only available for the members. So here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give more examples, like 3 to 4 more examples only for the members, right? But don't worry, if you're not a member, if you don't want to become a member, you can still learn all of the examples in this concept. But again, for more practice, for more knowledge, all of you welcome. Again, there is a minimum subscription charge you can welcome in my channel. Okay, next we will learn about strings and special strings in ServiceNow in JavaScript, then data type conversion, if and else statements, very, very important, equality operators, logical operators, and again, coding challenge or coding exercise for the members. Okay, next we would learn about truthy and falsy values. These are again very important concept, Boolean logic, switch statement, while loop, for loop. Again, one of the most important thing you are going to use a lot, this while loop and for loop. And finally, the coding exercises. Next, we would cover functions. These are very, very important, guys. This concept of functions and functions, calling functions inside of ServiceNow also. So we would understand in JavaScript first, clear our understanding so that we can get this concept in our development codes, right? Then we will start with array. It is very, very important again, array. Methods of array, ServiceNow array utils is a special class that is available inside of ServiceNow only. So I mentioned ServiceNow array util, and then we have the coding exercise again. And finally, we would have the object. This is very, very important. Again, both for ServiceNow and JavaScript. See, why I'm telling both for ServiceNow and JavaScript. See, ServiceNow is created on JavaScript only. So if you do not understand JavaScript, then how would you understand the development part of ServiceNow, right? So it is very, very important to know about the JavaScript before you go into the development part. So in JavaScript, we would learn in the last level objects, very, very important, different objects method, what are the methods we use, arrays of objects, JSON, stringify, and per se, it's a very, very important one. Classes, what are the different classes? And you would understand the relationship between objects and classes. I would explain you. And then, understanding these classes and objects, it would be very easy for you to understand the glide record, glide system, all these classes or APIs inside of the ServiceNow. Okay, trust me, you would love and you would enjoy it if you follow it. So these are all the things that we are going to learn. There are a lot of things would be available with a lot of videos, right? And I would try to post at least 2 videos in a week for sure, guys. And so that you can learn this thing quickly and then we can move into the ServiceNow development series. All right, so you have seen that what are the things we are going to learn, and it's gonna be very, very exciting, guys. Also, you have seen that the member would get the extra facility to do the coding exercise that I'm gonna give after each and every section. Okay, and also if you don't want to join, don't worry, it's absolutely fine. You can still learn. I mean, there are so many examples that I'm going to cover in the video. But yeah, if you want to learn more, if you want to practice more, also you are gonna get the benefits of exciting videos in futures, then you need to join the channel. Again, it's a minimal subscription. You can easily join, and I'm gonna post the link also in the description. So the first video would be on Monday, and we are gonna have a lot of fun covering this series. So stay with me, learn with me. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how excited you are. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so see you on Monday. Bye bye, take care.